a concise philosophical overview of space, time, and the conceptual possibility of time travel. Newton's idea of absolute time contrasts with Leibniz's relational view, according to which time exists only through relations between events. This debate is connected to modern discussions of space-time, where time is not treated as independent from the structure of the universe. Eternalism is the view that past, present, and future all exist in a real sense. From this perspective, time resembles a spatial dimension, and events are located along a temporal axis rather than appearing and disappearing absolutely. The four-dimensional view of the universe develops this idea further, imagining reality as a complete space-time block containing everything that has happened, is happening, and will happen. In such a universe, the present is not metaphysically privileged, but only one point or slice among many. This framework makes time travel at least conceptually possible because the past and future are understood as parts of reality. By contrast, presentism claims that only the present exists, while the past and future have no real independent existence. If presentism is true, time travel becomes impossible because there is no past or future destination to which one could travel. Relativized presentism tries to reconcile presentism with relativity by accepting different presents for different reference frames. This view weakens the distinction between presentism and eternalism, since each frame of reference may contain its own set of simultaneous events. David Lewis's idea is that the past, if it exists, cannot be different from what it was, so any time travel scenario must avoid logical contradiction. There are broader ontological positions, including realism, idealism, and anti-realism, about the independent existence of space and time. There is a historical opposition between Newton's absolute conception of space and time and Leibniz's relational conception, supported by principles such as sufficient reason and the identity of indiscernibles. A conventionalist perspective also exists, especially through Poincaré's claim that the geometry applied to space is partly a matter of convention. As for the direction of time, there are three possible explanations: causal asymmetry, thermodynamic entropy, and physical laws that may not be fully symmetrical under time reversal. We can distinguish endurantism, where objects exist wholly at each moment of their persistence, from perdurantism, where objects are extended through time by having temporal parts. Finally, a Heraclitean view tells that the future is not yet determined or inhabited, while the past is fixed and cannot be changed. In this final perspective, travel to the future is not a journey to an already existing place, and travel to the past is constrained by the fact that what happened cannot be altered.